Let's start now. Here, how to use LLM. We will start from how to use LLM. Then this is the flow diagram. I will give you overview. Like LLM is I classify into six categories, six to seven categories, like seven categories. LLM ecosystem. First, we'll learn how LLMs like ecosystem, which AI is available, like ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini. I will discuss this, and then I will learn some concepts. Then we will learn core concepts of the LLM that everyone should know about. Then we will learn about model types, what is which models we use, deep research, different kinds of models are there, then which tools have which capabilities, then we grasp that through our learning. Then we will learning multimodality, like multimodality are different kinds of, then personalization and best practices. So for today we are going to one by one. Let's go. LLM ecosystem. Here LLM ecosystem have again classified into two parts, like providers and tracking performance. Like we are going to providers. In providers we are classify OpenAI, Anthropic AI, Gemini, Cloud. Like let's see. Here are the subcategories of providers. OpenAI or ChatGPT. OpenAI is ChatGPT. Its first model launched in 2022. I'm just telling. This is Anthropic. Anthropic is for cloud. I mostly use cloud for our code writing or like any complete reading, making any ebook. Then Google Gemini is the like you dump anything and it will give you answers. Microsoft Copilot I don't use. XAI Grok mostly not, but yeah, sometime. And DeepSeek Mistral is also good. Let's see about tracking performance there. In tracking performance, we have chatbot arena or scale silv leaderboards. In this, we will analyze everything. But first, go this for chatbot arena scale silv leaderboards. We have to understand first core concept. Then we will learn tracking performance. Here we go. Core concept. In core concept there are tokens, like there is a one file, like we chat with how are you. So chat gpt, when you say send the like message to chat gpt, it will cut the your message into token, like how, like it gives you numbers. I will explain in next video properly, clearly everything. Then in tokens we can classify against context window, working memory, or token streams. Context window is like I can't show you now, but okay, I will go with you. Context window is like a full, like think it like a straight line. Context window is the length of like how are you, like three dots. And then context window, when you send the message, then this hook start from like AI replies it. It is a, like a flow line. When you speak, then here stop, then again AI speaks. Like this makes context window, and the message is larger the more token we needed. Like I have two to three websites where we can analyze how much tokens, and mostly these websites like OpenAI, they deal with tokens. And working memories means how much memory is consuming it. Like suppose we go to the like brief one book like the Atomic Habits, we put a whole book in this, so the it consume more memory in that type of. And token streams means the complete line, when it breaks then it's again next move forward. Here training stages are pre-training. Pre-train, the most hypothetical is pre-training, because in this people have to invest millions of dollars. I see recently that our OpenAI invested $10 million for pre-training. Pre-training means, because basically is that when any data is available in Google, the it like first time when you program baby, like you feed the data, that is the hardest part, feed the data. And then post training means like AI can't give like I see OpenAI ChatGPT is updated like November or December, so we can't go like suppose yesterday 2 to 3 days Ajit Dada Power died. So if I search on Google, it does not have memory, but it will still give us answers, because the post training, because the data is updated till pre training. When always I said, when you want to analyze the chat gpt, use specific dates, and don't 100% rely on it. Sometimes it's false, because it pre-trained data. Sometimes it's not post-trained data, or sometimes it's knowledge cut off, like knowledge is cut off in there. So here we go again. Like we are learning of tools and capabilities, we will learn some about tools and capabilities. Tools available in like chat gpt. Here you can see the one telescope like symbol is there, that is internet search. Sometimes the answers in, you have to think about OpenAI is not a like super base vector base, like it is a more one like more file in this. People have stored one trained data, that is pre-trained data, one time data stored in it. That then post training means suppose something new happens, so data will go to internet search, find the data and save again in that memory. Like suppose this is my bag, like this is my bag and I have made data of available data. So if someone asks me latest data, so I don't have latest data, this is data of 30th December, like today's data does not have like this. Uh, then this OpenAI goes to internet search, then file like get his all the data, then input in file and then give the output. This is called internet search. Then again we have code of internet search. There is again subdivided into real time info. Real time info, suppose 5 minutes ago Ajit Dada died, suppose that he's died, sorry for him, but he died. So like next second 5 second ChatGPT does not know about data, but he still provides us data because of real time data. Then citation and verification, it also provides some verification of the data and deep research reports. This is the my favorite tool because sometimes when you have to analyze any big thing like big workflow or anything or like big file, so you have to use deep research mode. Then AI will calculate from his side also, internet search also, then it will give comprehensive answer. If you go into that only real time info, then it will show like sorry, think it like that. This is real time and this is the file stored in it. Suppose you are asking question, it have two option. It will first try to pull from the file. If the data is not in the file, then it will try to pull from internet search. But in deep research, what it will do, it will gather information from both sides, its file also and internet search also, then merge it and analyze it and then give final output. And that's the best thing I like to have in between this, because that provide you the mostly right answers. Then code execution, where we would go. Code execution, we have Python interpreter. Python interpreter is like, we mostly, I don't know what about like I don't knowledge how coding, but I am learning that. So it is just Python coding. And data visualization is a code execution. Suppose you type one book summary like uh, 10 people are available, then 5 I say like any random, then ChatGPT will provide you data visualization like pie chart, workflow like that. Then we go file uploads. File uploads, there are two types. You can directly in OpenAI ChatGPT we can directly input whole file, like complete the document summarization, complete document like 250 pages atomic habits, and tell me, give me the summary of this. But ChatGPT will provide you, but it will not provide you accurate, because 250 pages has a too much token length, and ChatGPT will not consume this. So I have one like alternative it for Gen Spark AI. I will prefer you to do this because this is a OpenAI tool, free tool, that 100 credits are always free, and that's too much for it. Then reading companion, there are multimodality. This is part is important. Here multimodality is there. AI can audio also, vision also. In audio again, it has two parts. One audio part is like you can speak and it will just transcribe, and then you have to send option. And then one is like vision. You can directly speak or write also. Best part is in audio we have voice to text, like you are telling this is why sky is blue, then it will provide you transcription. Advanced voice mode is that just click the button, then you will get the like complete you are speaking, yeah, with transcription everything automatically. And notebook LM podcast, this is the where I am using right now. You can get here, and you this is the best, I think best application for summarizing. I learned from a one YouTuber, that's I can't reveal his name, Mac Karthik something his name. He is also good. I am just using his knowledge as he provided me through flow diagram. Then again vision we have two to three, like in auto prompt engineering we also, how LLM works me, we have image analysis. Directly we put an image of like anything, rocket, house, and we say analyze this. Live camera interaction, this is the best feature that is only for paid subscriber. Live camera interaction, in this what happens when someone like speaking randomly and asking what is this, ChatGPT means live conversion is happening. and image generation from delay. Like this is the delay of you can use. I think Nano Banana is best for this, and VO3 also best for image generation as a free plan. And live camera interaction, you can interact from live camera also. Then personalization, this is my favorite one. Personalization, LLM has a memory feature. Like you have to remember the memory. Like I sent 5 minutes ago like this message, then you have to save again. If you ask like, yeah, what is this? So I think memory is the very important. I mostly use in N10. You can check out my some of the videos here, download from my channel. Then custom instruction or custom GPT few shot prompting. This is best. Few shot prompting custom GPT is because like you giving AI this instruction, this behave like this is your personality, this is your role, then AI will behave it like. But when you don't put any role or anything, AI will behave randomly. So this is best part. And custom instructions means like you are giving like ChatGPT, you are think logical thinker and that type of stuff, and then you are asking or making something that's best. I usually prefer to do custom GPTs. I created 5 custom GPTs for myself, like ICP, uh, LinkedIn caption writer. That's helpful for me because that saves my lot of time. And again, where we go, best practice for break, start new chats for new topics. This is the key concepts I am telling you. Every time you sign up or log in the our OpenAI, try to say new chats, because when you like using old chats, it will have token length and it is not finished. So it is using that also, so you have to new chat. And then you have to scrutinize code and data. Like data is and every time you have to watch for hallucination. Yeah, should not be hallucinate. And best practice for like coding or anything, I will prefer code cursor composer, and that's too much helpful you. Like today my I made 12 minutes video, and that's like something big. But from tomorrow we will go float 10 to 20 minutes daily. And thank you.